grow. 5 little ducks in the sparkling snow. Across the pond where icicles hang, one small duck heard jingle bells clang. He chased the sound
Quack,
behind
quack,
a tree,
little ones.
lost in snow where elves might be. Mama called loud, quack, quack, come back. But only 4 ducks walked her track. 4 little ducks found a snowy slide. Down they swooshed with winter pride. They flipped and rolled in fluffy white, their feathers shining pure and bright. Mama said it's time to go, but one duck stayed to watch the snow. Quack, 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 where did you go? Only 3 ducks followed Mama slow. 3 little ducks saw crystals shine on frozen pond like magic line. They tried to skate and
Come
twirl
back,
around
my little
while
ones.
music made a tinkling sound. Mama quacked loud with gentle plea, but one duck hid behind a tree. 2 little ducks made snowmen tall, cute round bodies and hats so small. One duck painted cheeks in pink, the other stopped near Candy Rink. Mama called soft, quack back to me. One duck stayed, too fun to flee. One little duck stood all alone, snow beneath him cold like stone. He
Quack,
missed
quack.
his friends, his warm home too, and Mama duck's loud quack-a-doo. Snowstorm hushed with windy spin, he flapped small wings to tuck back in. Quack, 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 Mama's heart so sore, no little ducks beside her anymore. With teary eyes she called again, hoping they'd come home like then. Through snowy path, a chiming sound, tiny waddles all around. 5 little ducks came running fast, hugs and feathers warm at last. They chirped Mama, we're okay now, kissed each beak upon the brow. Quack, 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 together we stay, no more wandering far away. Snowflakes shine and hearts feel warm, ducks will cuddle through the storm. Cocoa cups and candlelight, ducklings sleep through winter night. Mama whispers, close your eyes, dream of snows and starry skies. 5 little ducks, soft and sound, good night world, no more wandering round. Hey,